In this short video, I'll show you how to create a free Apple ID. Many users face difficulties when switching between devices or trying to set up a new Apple account, so it's important to get it right the first time. Having an Apple ID lets you enjoy Apple's full ecosystem, from iCloud to app purchases. You can also use your Apple ID across all Apple devices. In this guide, we'll go through how to create an Apple ID, even using Gmail, and how to create a second Apple ID. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, like setting up new devices or creating multiple Apple IDs. Stay with me until the end to learn what to do if you run into any problems. Now, let's get started on how to create a free Apple ID account. Let's see how to create an Apple ID on a web browser like Safari or Chrome. To begin, open your web browser, such as Safari or Chrome, and go to appleid.apple.com. Once there, click Create your Apple ID and fill in your personal information, such as your name, birthday, and email address. If you don't have an email address, you can opt to use Apple's default account creation process, which generates an iCloud email. Once your details are entered, follow the prompts to create a strong password. Verify your phone number by selecting your country and entering the phone number to associate with the account. Apple will send you a verification code for confirmation. Before we continue with solutions to errors you might encounter, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more Apple tips. Now, let's see how to create a free Apple ID using Gmail. You can also choose to use your Gmail or other email providers like Yahoo or Outlook account instead of iCloud during the creation process. The only difference is when choosing your email, select Use your current email address and enter your Gmail or any other email account. Once the verification steps are completed for both email and phone, you'll have successfully created your new Apple ID. You can now use it to log into iCloud, the App Store, and other Apple services. Here are some errors you might encounter while creating a free Apple ID account and solutions to them. Age restriction errors. If a user enters a birth date indicating they are under 13 or below the minimum age required in their country, they may not be able to create an Apple ID without family setup support. Billing information problems. Apple sometimes requires billing details even for free accounts. Users may encounter issues if they do not provide valid payment information or encounter an error when adding a payment method. Your account cannot be created at this time. This error is one of the most frequent problems. It can occur for various reasons. In the video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to fix the error. Your account cannot be created at this time. Tap to watch it after this. To explore more Apple iPhone video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.